Greetings, everybody. Hope everybody's feeling righteous. Greetings, everyone. Hope everybody's feeling righteous. Greeting 101. Hoping. Anyway. So I'm out here. I'm the first to say that after a while, you don't really run out of things to talk about. But you realize that people in the world already know what's going on. They can see it. But when you bring something to a person's attention at any given moment to where they're willing to receive it, it helps. Whether it's the message that you pushing out in a different manner, using different words, same meaning, usually most of the time. But I know why I'm breathing so hard though. This year, in this moment, within the next moments to come, should I say, I'm gonna quit them blocking moms though, for real. They take a little. It's enjoyable when you're doing it sometimes, but they take a toll on you. Whew, on the real. But I done already hiked about 2 miles already, so, but still you feel it. But some days I come out here and it's just an easy little cinch. It's just an easy get through. Super simple. Just go, just be hiking and it's all good. You know what I mean? No like breathing hard, no hardness, no, it's just, some days you come and it's a little harder because today I pushed myself today to get here. But it was a good kind of push though. It was that push I wanted to do. I wanted to push myself to the limits today. So I did that. So it's all to the good. But what do I want to say in this video? I got a little time. What do we want to talk about today? Let's talk about something good. So look at this. Right? Y'all done seen this over a million times. Sometimes I go up to the towers. You're talking about 6 miles or more when you hit those towers up there. So let's talk about something good. Always resort back to gratefulness. Always resort back to gratefulness, man. The medicine that heals the mind. Pushing away negative thoughts. Pushing away the bully in the brain. Pushing back, fighting back for your life. Fighting back for your moment. Fighting back for moments in life. Let me say this too. So when I come here, I always manage to not allow myself to forget to enjoy the hike. That's why I stop and look around and not just make it a race, because then you're not really enjoying it. So I stop to look around and enjoy the nature that's here, But yeah, back to what I was saying. enjoying, mastering yourself, mastering the mind, not letting the bullies push through, the mental bullies push through. Not always easy. Most things we do are easier said than done, but it's all to the good. So look what somebody put right here. If you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. That's 2022. It's nice. Yep. I wonder if my camera get a cool picture of that. But anyway, we got it on here. I'm gonna post this. So yeah, I got a lot of content, doing different things. So usually, the last time I was here, I'm not gonna do it today. But the last time I was here, I pushed it that extra mile right here, which is a hill that you go up, and then it'll take you all the way on the other side. But today, I'm gonna just, enjoy the walk. So let me get into this video. All right, we on good things. We on good things. There's always a positive and a negative to keep things functioning, right? Excuse my blocking the camera, but it gets a little cold once you go down these hills. It starts to, starts to get a little colder. But yeah, so got that good sweat in today, man. Oh, there's a water stream today, bro. Must be that rain. There's definitely a water stream today. A good thing. This is another good thing. Don't let the internet stop you from enjoying what life has to offer for real, for real. Not just programming your mind to see somebody else having a good time or taking pictures of plates of food and stuff like that. And nothing wrong with that kind of stuff if you're proud of the food that's in front of you. I mean, take a picture and show everybody what you're eating and how pretty it is. I mean, no judgment here, but this computer that we have in our hands is very powerful, and it can really detour us away from things like this. That's why I record. That's why I come out here and record, just to, of course, take advantage of the phone and show people that this is how you heal yourself. Good things, This is definitely how you heal yourself, man. If I was selfish, I'd keep it all to myself. You know how selfish sometimes individuals have learned to be. Like, when you got something good, you keep it to yourself. You be like, man, why you ain't tell me about that, man? Or you see somebody looking a certain way, like, what are you using? Like, I ain't using nothing. So this is why we share this kind of stuff on the internet. Hello, how you doing? So this is why we share this kind of stuff on the internet. You know what I mean? To not be selfish and let people know the goodness of life, the good things. So get to check yourself out. God made you. Don't never let nobody tell you to stop checking yourself. Always check on yourself. Always. Notice how when you look in the mirror at yourself, people be looking like, why you looking in it? Ain't that something? People get mad when you look at your own self. Yep. Anyway, I'm going to take this time for myself. I may post this video or may not. I don't know. I need to start editing some of these videos. You know what I mean? Start the editing process. I'll just be going live, just doing it straight fresh off the brain. But I may start editing some of this stuff soon. But anyway, I'm out.